Hello everyone. This is the sixth session of Optional English BA 3rd Sem VSK University Ballari. Four Wheels of English Literature. Original English novel originated in English soil. It evolved with Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe and Moll Flanders, but other works include John Bunyan's The Pilgrim's Progress and Abraham's Orinoco, Sir Thomas Malory's Morte d'Arthur, and even Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales, Jonathan Swift's Gulliver's Travels. Of novel inherent them. The rise of the novel as an important literary genre is largely associated with the growth of the middle class in England. Novel established as a major literary genre in the hands of four major novelists of the 18th century. They are Samuel Richardson, author of the epistolary novel Pamela or Virtue Rewarded, and Clarissa. The other one is Henry Fielding, who wrote Joseph Andrews and Tom Jones, The Founding of Lawrence Sterne, who published parts of Tristram Shandy, and other one is Tobias Smollett, a Scottish novelist best known for his comic picaresque novels such as The Adventures of Peregrine Pickle and The Expedition of Humphrey Clinker. Considering their contributions to Professor Sainsbury called them the English novel of the four Wales. Causes for the growth and development of the novel. There are many causes for the development of the novel. Expansion of the reading public. Publishing has become a profitable business because of the spread of literacy and reading as a form of entertainment among the wealthy middle class. The professional writers appear to have started. They did not have rich patrons but earned their living by writing essays and books. With this new situation, together with the creation of circulating libraries which have borrowed a small subscription fee, increase the number of readers. Growth of the new middle class. A new middle class created by the Industrial Revolution. This class of people had money and a desire to compete with the aristocracy. So they read books as a pastime and also to acquire social recognition. The other cause is women of different positions. Women who had no public role to play. They had to remain home. Maids performed by the general, so they had enough time. They started reading novels. In fact, 18th century women were the largest reading public in England. The other reason, economic reasons. People who were richer than before could afford buying books. Women had more time for reading because after the Industrial Revolution they had much free time at home. They even could buy the products from shops before which were made in houses. The first wheel, the person who is one among the wheel, Samuel Richardson, was an English printer and writer. As a printer, his output includes political writing such as the Tory periodical, the True Briton, the newspaper's Daily Journal, and the Daily Gazetteer, together with 26 volumes of the journals of the House of Commons and General. When he was in his 50s and well established as a printer, one day booksellers proposed to him to compile a volume of model papers for unskilled letter writers. While preparing this, Richardson became fascinated by the project when he found a small series of letters from a daughter in service asking for her father's advice when threatened by her master's advances. These formed the germ of Pamela or Virtue Rewarded and got recognition as the first novelist in English. The second wheel, the person named novelist Daniel Defoe. The family title was Foe, but Daniel changed it to be Defoe in order to be a little more dignified. Daniel Defoe was the first journalist and the first to lay the groundwork for the novel. He was a late starter, whatever, as a novelist. His first novel, Robinson Crusoe, was published when he was 65. His periodical, The Review, is the first periodical in English. He began in the year 1702. The Review ran 3 times a week without interruption until 1713. He was also a pamphleteer. He was put on pillory conviction on 31st July 1703. The dissenters, with the shortest way of the Declaration of the December 1702 pamphlet entitled or Proposals for the Establishment of the Church. He was also the only person in the history of pillory punishment who had flowers and garlands in the stable rubbishes while in pillory. The novel, published under the title Robinson Crusoe, The Life and Strange, published on 1719. Surprising adventures of it. The real story is Robinson Crusoe of York, a Scotch sailor, Alexander Mariner, who lived Selkirk, who lived alone for 2.5 years and for 4 years alone in the Isle of Wight, the island of John Fernandez, mouth of river of Orinoco. The story of the mouth of the shipwreck of the first person shore by the shipwreck, wherein is a diary of men. Picaresque novel. Almost all languages are delivered by pirates. The other known novelist of 18th century is Laurence Sterne. The British novelist produced only 2 works of fiction, but he ranks as one of the major novelists of the 18th century because of his experiments with the structure and organization of the novel. However, published the single most idiosyncratic novel of the century, The Life and Opinions of Tristram Shandy, written 1760. The apparent politeness of Tristram Shandy, the endless digressions and wordplay, and the use of the narrator's psychological consciousness as the governing structure in the novel make Sterne unique among the early masters of the English novel and suggest a tie to the stream of consciousness novels who appeared later. His second novel was A Sentimental Journey Through France and Italy. It is considered a significant work of English literature because it is one of the earliest entries in the genre of travel writing, which became prominent in the 18th century. The fourth novelist is Henry Fielding. Sir Walter Scott called Henry Fielding the father of the English novel, and the phrase still stands in Fielding's place in the history of literature. Though not the first English novelist, he was the first to approach the genre with a fully worked out theory, and Joseph Andrews, Tom Jones, and Amelia, which provide a modern critique of microcosm, epic, comedy, and panoramic surveys of contemporary society that dominated English fiction until the end of the 18th century. George Smollett was a Scottish poet and author. He is best known for his picaresque novels such as The Adventures of Roderick Random, The Adventures of Peregrine Pickle, which were influenced later novelists such as Charles Dickens. These were all the four novelists who contributed and make the novel evolve in the history of English literature. And this is the reference which I have followed for the information and the content. Thank you, one and all.